On the back of the Finance and National Planning Committee, on their recommendation of the removal of the interest rate caps, we've seen some reactions from the 9 listed banking entities, and what we've seen so far in the market is only one bank, which is Stanbic Bank, remaining flat. However, we've seen the highest gain being Cooperative Bank, which is up 10% within the day, as well as I&M Bank, which is similarly up 10%. Then we've seen some good performances from Bankless Bank, which is up 7.2%. And if you follow up with NCBA Bank at 8.6%, and also some of the key movers as well is KCB and Equity. So KCB is up 6.6% and Equity is up 6.5%. And finally, you have the Diamond Trust Bank being up 0.4%. So we've seen quite a number of moves from investors in reaction to the news, and we continue to see how this will progress going forward, especially when it goes to Parliament and subsequently from Parliament to the President sending, if the Parliament does follow the recommendation of the committee. So we will keep you informed as it goes. Thanks.